Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamborghini chain, rest in peace to my superior, Hermes link a feed a village in like.
Wow. Damn. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. Look at all that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you're having a great day. And guys, I'm back to my old place known as Gandhidham, and by the way, this is in Gujarat. Jo log naye hain, yeah, I live in Gujarat too. And guys, today we are going to explore a new location. We're gonna go cycle there, of course. So let's get going, guys, and we'll see you on the road, or I'll just show you what I'm taking with me, and uske baad we're gonna directly hit the road and let's get moving, guys. So the things which I'm taking with me are basically a backpack. Chota hai, it's quite reasonable. This will fit all of your equipments. And then coming back here, I got a bag of camera gears like batteries and SD cards, a tube, cycle tube, and pump for the cycle, tire levers to take out the tire tube, and spare kit which almost came apart, and last but not least, first aid kits. So guys, these are all the things which I'm taking with me, and I'll just get this packed and we're directly gonna go on the road now. Let's go. It has been literally 5 months जब से मैंने cycling की है and oh भाई साहब, and now we have to do a freaking climb. That's more worse. No, God, no. नीचे रहना हम लोग को. Yeah, we're gonna stay down only. Oh my God. Okay guys, so they just went ahead of me. So हम लोग को जाने का टाइम आ ही गया है, and they were buying snacks. अभी उनको तो टाइम लग गया. But let's see. They don't know the spot still. They're going ahead of me. I don't know for what. They're so stupid. But wow, feels so good. यहाँ से अंदर आ जाओ guys. यहाँ से अंदर, यहाँ से अंदर. यहाँ इधर आओ, इधर आओ. Oh, here we are at the location. थोड़ा दूर है guys. We just need to find a spot to land and relax. God, and the water looks so clear. Oh, wait. Come on. Yes. Keep your mouth shut here, guys, huh? It's too buggy. There's gotta be some way to go down. Yeah. Wait, I think I see a way. Yep, I think that's the way. There it is. Oh, wait. They can't come. Holy shit. This feels amazing. Oh. Okay. And this is where we park. Wow. Whew. This isn't. She's saying this is not the location. Oh, like right there na, वहाँ वाली ना. गाड़ी पार्क करके चलना है वहाँ तक. Wait, what is that? पट्टी क्या है वो? वहाँ खड़े हो सकते हैं ना? अगर वहाँ खड़ा होने का है या फिर बैठने का है तो that's the location. अगर उसके बीच में वो कैनाल टाइप बना दिया है then I think so. Come on, nobody's gonna take my cycle. Yeah, wait, let's just see, then we'll come back. Okay, this is not the location. We have to go. है वहाँ से था ना एक different position. अरे okay, we can't go from here. We have to find a way to get on that. जहाँ पे birds बैठी हैं. Yeah, we gotta go up again. Want to leave our things here only? Want to take it up?
छोड़ देते हैं.
क्यों? Let's keep it at least in eyesight, na. Guys, this is a nice location, but it's not. Sun यहाँ पे नहीं पड़ रहा है ना, मजा नहीं आ रही है. Yes, but हम लोग sunset देखने आए हैं, so we're not gonna stay here. Oh ho ho. By the way, guys, thank you so much for the 420 subscribers again, and the extra 30 kgs also. I gained this lockdown. Currently, I weight a freaking ton. That means 100 kgs, and that is a lot. I'm talking about. Yeah, it's better. Didi, can I take the scooty up there, please?
You're supposed to be off-roading with your cycle.
I did, bro. Shut up. Let's go from here, I think. किधर?
बैठने का है?
वॉल है कि बस जगह है?
I think that's better.
Sure, let's go. See.
Let's go see. नहीं, बैठो जल्दी. वहाँ से वापस आ जाएंगे ना.
Yeah, let's go. Where are the people? Okay, easy. Easy, easy. This seems nice. Let's go. Oh my god, look at all these dogs looking at us. Oh shit. Guys, dogs are here, संभाल के. We might be in danger. Stinks. Lol. Literally. Come on. Hey. Oh, bye. Are you sure this was the spot? Let's just park here. Who? Wait, let me park like this. Shh. कहाँ पे जगह है? संभाल के गाइस, जहाँ काटे जाते हैं. ओए. क्यों? कुछ भी. It doesn't work like this.
क्या सुंदर जगह है.
क्या सुंदर जगह है.
फोटो वाले कॉपीराइट लगा दे.
There's like a whole different lake here where we can go, I think. Like exactly यहाँ पे सामने बैठने का अच्छा जगह देखो, यहाँ पे ducks and वो सब भी ज़्यादा हैं. We gotta walk here. I know. There's a whole trail inside, लेकिन पूरा कांटों से घिरा हुआ है. So I think we're just gonna stick to this point. Or you wanna go आगे भी? Yeah, I'm not way. This place, na?
More interested you can go there.
If you're more into?
If तुमको और ज़्यादा explore करना है.
Yeah.
But उनको पानी नहीं दिखेगा.
I don't know. Let's see man क्या दिखता है वहाँ से. Okay, जा ही नहीं सकते पहली बात तो.
Now we wait for the sun to go. So we can
Alright guys. Man, the place looks so good in the GoPro. It looks so blue, and cause it is. And this might be like gutter ka pani, I don't know. But it's still blue, guys. So it's worth it. It's worth coming here. Okay, guys. मेरे को thumbnail निकालने का है. So let's go, Barry. I won't touch the cycle on the ground because काटे ज़्यादा हैं and I'm not a pro. Okay, यहाँ safe है. Okay, guys, move. You heard that? Move.
दीदी बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है, इधर आओ ना, तीनों लेते हैं ना.
Look at her.
ओए.
Look at her doing her normal shit again.
अरे आओ ना यार, बहुत
Look
अच्छा आ
at
रहा
her.
है. दीदी, अब तीनों की बहुत अच्छी आएगी, bro. I'm telling you.
What's it about? Oi.
Just like us.
Hey yo.
दीदी बहुत ही अच्छी आ रही है, दीदी आओ ना यार. please.
Should I remove my? Oh
It's
my
this
god,
video
this
वाली
looks
गई.
so pretty.
ठीक है भाई.
Hey guys, कुछ खाने को लाए हो क्या?
Yes, fucking tikka.
और
Wait, मुझे लगा फोटो आ रही है. आ जाएगी उसमें स्नैप कर वो.
Lord.
Will it be even clear?
So guys, we decided to go सामने जो ब्रिज है, लाइक थोड़ा दूर है यहाँ से, हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे अभी. ये लोग थोड़ा घूम के आएंगे, मैं तो यहाँ से चढ़ जाऊँगा क्योंकि असली सनसेट पीछे हो रहा है अभी. एंड आई really want to show you all of that. So let's go. Okay, I won't right here. Wait a minute. So guys, if you want to come here, you all can. But like you know, यहाँ पे मेरे हिसाब से यहाँ का सनराइज ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, लाइक जो स्पॉट पे हम लोग थे, rather than the sunset. But anyways, let's see what destiny holds before us. लेकिन I'll still prefer कि आप लोग यहाँ पे. Oh shit. Oh, scared already. That looks like a deadly dog. That looks like a freaking wolf. Fuck. And it has babies, so it might be more dangerous. Oh shit. So guys, watch out for these people. But like, still I prefer you all to come here with like big cars. The best option is to come with cycles or motorcycles. Both will do the job perfectly. And oh my god, look at the puppies. Lol. Guys, आप हाँ आप लोग जाओ, मैं आ जाऊँगा, ठीक है ना? बाय. Yes. Okay, so this is the step way we're gonna take to go on the freaking Ham Bridge. Let's breathe for some minute. And let's go. Think. There you go. Brains. Guess who got some brains, people? I do. Oh. Oh my god, I'm on the peak. Oh wait. This is what it is now. Oh my god, we missed it, yeah. We missed it by 10 minutes, I think. Yeah. Okay, I think they're here. Let's go. Oh my god. Can't breathe. Look at them go. By the way guys, this is a canal जो पिछले 3-4 साल से बन रहा है. You can see it's freaking empty and dry. But during monsoon पानी अच्छा खासा रहता है. And यहाँ पे भी नीचे hang out करने बहुत मज़ा आता है. Like आगे एक spot है वहाँ से हम नीचे जा सकते हैं. But not today. Today we missed the sunset. Yeah, जो भी बोलो. We missed a very good sunset. Shit. So guys, we're gonna end the video right here, and I hope you'll enjoy the video for whatsoever reason, for whatsoever scenery or light, or I don't know. And this is the last video of 2020 guys, and I want to end it in a good way. So please show as much as love you all can to this video and make this the best video of 2020, and that's a big request from me to y'all. And I hope you all have a great day ahead and a great new year. So till then guys, take care and bye. No, come on, no. Bus. Bus, guys, bus. I'm stuck. Help.